What is going on, guys? Back at it with another one, and today I'm going to be playing doctor with some typical, simple wart removal. You can do this too at home under supervision of doctors or anybody alike. So I'm going to show you right now what we got. So we got your typical fingernail clippers. They've already been sterilized. We got hydrogen peroxide, Band-Aid. I don't know what this stuff's for.
It's to clean it.
To clean it. That's only going to be after. And now I'm going to show you how to remove it. Let's take a look at this wart that we have here. Can you put your hand down there, you asshole? I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, that is your typical wartolingus. So I'm going to set up the camera, and we'll get rid of this wartolingus. So now, I got the tripod set up. We're going to do a stationary view of what's going on. I got the fingernail clippers, because with this application, we are not going to use any freezing method, because I find freezing doesn't get it away quick. We want it done once, not twice, and it's going to be gone. So now, I'm going to come in here with my fingernail clippers.
Don't hurt me.
And what you want to do is you want to...
Ow! Ow!
Is what we call getting rid of the seed. We got rid of the seed. I don't know if you guys can see that on there. And we got a little bit of bleeding. Now, if you get some kind of bleeding, that means that you got all of it. It's not going to bleed much. Just a little bit.
It didn't hurt that much.
No, it didn't hurt that much. And you take this Band-Aid, you put it on, and then I'd say after...
You gotta clean it.
Really?
Well, yeah.
Okay, now you're just wasting the peroxide.
Why? It's bleeding a lot.
Yeah, but that's okay. Stop wasting it.
Alright, give me the Band-Aid.
That was quick. That was easy. Now the wart's gone. It's not coming back. And fingernail clippers were actually like $2. So it's cheaper than buying that Dr. Scholl's liquid nitrogen stuff. Don't buy it. Cut it off. And you're done. If we were to freeze this, it would still be there. And we don't know. It might have to be freezed again and again. We don't know. But I'm glad this could help you guys. If you guys want some more tips on how to remove warts or anything else, let me know. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.